Big thanks to Amdro for sponsoring this video. I love my backyard, but like so many yards, it had a ton of potential, but just needed a little sprucing up. So let's go over 3 awesome DIY backyard makeover projects that will really spruce up your yard. Let's start with the fire pit. When I bought this house, it already came with a fire pit installed in the backyard, which was awesome, but the area around it was just so boring and not very user-friendly. So let me show you how I turned this boring, underutilized area into an awesome seating and entertaining space. With the grass all removed, I'm going to clean up these old stones and make them look beautiful again to reuse for the fire pit. The fire pit surround also was in good shape, it just needed a good wash and paint job. To really make this seating area pop at night, I'm going to be putting in some posts to hang outdoor lights to really make it an inviting, bright, and fun area to entertain guests no matter the time of day. To get this place looking nice, we're going to be doing some hardscaping and gravel around the fire pit. This isn't only going to look great, but it's also going to keep us safe so we don't have anything flammable around the fire. Finally, we're going to get these outdoor lights installed and get this project finished. It's going to be a beautiful space that I'm going to use constantly. Amdro Quick Kill is an awesome product that is so easy to apply. Using the shaker bottle, a quick walk around your home, and you'll be keeping the pests and insects away from your home and out here in the nature where they belong. We get a lot of spiders around here, and this does an awesome job keeping them outside, because if they get inside, my wife's gonna freak. It's such an easy product to use. Just shake a 1 to 2 foot perimeter all the way around your home, and then activate the granules by spraying a little water on top of it. In no time, those insects will be a thing of the past. Our next project is this budget-friendly outdoor storage shed. We all have a neglected corner of our yard that could really be cleaned up and way too much stuff that could probably be stored there. So let's hit 2 birds with 1 stone and build an awesome shed to store all that crap. The frame of this shed will be built out of 2x4s. It'll be plenty strong for a small structure like this, and it's an easy, cheap, available material that anyone can get at their local hardware store. For the outside sheathing on this shed, I'm going to be using cedar fence pickets. This is a great outdoor material that's super cheap and easily accessible for anyone. With the structure complete, it's time to work on the roof. I'm using a large piece of plywood to tie everything together and make it nice and strong. And on top of that, to keep it waterproof, I'm going to be using some corrugated roofing, which will keep it safe in the Indiana winters and keep that snow and elements off of all of my outdoor tools. I was able to fit a ton of tools and equipment in this shed, and it looks awesome. It's a great addition to any yard. With all the summer barbecues and s'mores by the fire pit, I've been having a huge ant problem out here. Luckily, I got Amdro ant block to the rescue. This should fix my problem in no time. In seconds, my ant problem's fixed and my barbecues are saved. Thanks, Amdro. Big shout out to Amdro for sponsoring this video. These are just a few of their awesome products for tackling outdoor pest problems. Be sure to check out their full line at their website, amdro.com, or at your local hardware store. Our final backyard project is an awesome deck makeover. My deck was really rough and had seen years of wear and tear from weather, so it was time to strip it down to bare bones and make it look beautiful again. The deck cleaned and stripped, it was time to replace the old railing and skirt. With the structure looking great, it's time to add some stain. Stain isn't only great for making your deck look awesome, but it also preserves the wood so it can hold up in those harsh outdoor environments. Here in Indiana, it gets really snowy and rainy, so getting a nice coat of stain on the entire deck will preserve that wood for years to come. For the railing on this deck, I wanted to do something really cool and modern, so I'm adding a stainless steel wire railing all the way around. It's a little more work, but the look you get is so unbelievable, I couldn't resist. With the main components of the deck complete, it was just time to add the finishing touches. Because it gets so hot out here in the backyard, a shade structure above the deck was a must, and I wasn't wrong. It's been so nice to be able to relax in the shade and enjoy this backyard area. With the final touches done, it looks amazing. My backyard is looking incredible, and I am so happy with how all three of these projects turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something along the way. Be sure to check down in the descriptions for the link to all these videos. And until next time, it's your turn. Go build stuff.